Hello friends, welcome to my next research video. Which phase of research you are in? There are different phases are there in your research career. The first phase of research may start with the vague phase. Vague means you will not have any clear idea which one to select. Even you may not have a clear idea about which topic to choose, or you will get a lot of confusion. So in the vague phase, generally you will face this vague phase of your career in the starting of your research. After the vague phase, then you will get some idea, but still you will get into the second phase, that is called confusion phase. In the vague, you don't have any idea, simply you are blank. You start to learn in the vague phase, then after that you will get some idea. Now you will get a confusion, which one to select, A, B, C, D, or which one to select. So in this confusion phase only, it will, because when you are confused mind, then only you will get a clarity. So then from the confused phase, then you will get into the clarity phase. And the clarity phase, you will get some, you will finalize certain topic, certain idea, you will get into that particular phase. In that clarity phase, some of you may not, before getting clarity, again you may get into the one more phase of research, that is called deviation phase. Even though you decided a topic or some area, but still you will get deviated, you will not be really very sure about your area. So if you are in deviation phase, and you must sure that you just move to the clarity phase. And another important thing, from this clarity phase, then you will slowly and you will evolve and you will get enlightenment. In the enlightenment, you will have a complete clarity about your research. You are completely enlightened soul now. You know where to start, where to end, what to do, what not to do, and everything will have a complete clarity. So in this phase, generally it will help you a lot to complete your research comfortably. But even in this phase, after this you have one more phase, it is there. After enlightening phase, then you will get fast phase. In this fast phase, any work you will be able to complete in a super fast way, because that's what in the first vague phase, confusion phase, deviation phase, clarity phase, now you are in a very positive phase, fast phasing. In this thing, you will be able to work more than your expectation. I am telling you, even your own expectation, you will be able to work. You will be able to complete your job very fast than what you expect. You will reach this stage also in the last phases of the research. And one more important phase is that after the first phase, again, certain clarity you may not have probably in the first phase. You will be working on it, but suddenly there is one important phase called miracle phase. Miracle phase of work. Some miracle thing will happen. For example, you are a person, you work only 5 hours in a day. During that miracle phase, you will be able to work 10 hours in a day. In case you are working 10 hours in a day, you will be able to work 15 hours in a day. Because all such kind of what you call miraculous thing will start to happen during that miraculous phase, because that is the phase where you will be in the fag end of your research. You will be completing your study and research, and you will be submitting the thesis. So why I have taken this particular video? Because whichever phase you are in, you don't worry, all these phases you will cross, and just wait for a miracle. And the only thing is you have to keep on, you must be on a track, and you wait for a miracle. Even you are not having some clear idea, the miracle phase of your research will help you to come out of your all problems, and you will be able to work double and triple and multiple fold, and you will be able to complete it. But you won't believe it, just it will happen, because I have seen in my own research this miraculous phase, because normally I used to read 2 to 3, 4 hours only, but during my research I read 15 hours in a day, because I got 1 month time. That maximum thing, the writing work and all I completed within that 1 month. So you also will get such kind of miraculous thing will happen in your life. Research field, just wait. I wish you that definitely you will be able to complete in that thing. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.